right, guys, time to meet your friends. Welcome to your new home.
That one needs more shade over there. All right, pushing it now.
Respiration is steady. No signs of external trauma. We'll monitor the stress levels closely during the procedure.
That's the last of the group.
Good work. They are settling in well here.
Length is showing 180 centimeters.
Confirmed. Data logged for subject 7.
Pull on the head snare now.
Watch the tail, it's starting to thrash.
Steady, keep it moving slowly toward the pool.
All clear on the west side. How's the scrubbing?
Looking good. The water's much clearer now.
Length is logged, 3.2 meters.
Confirmed. Looks healthy.
Easy now, easy. We're here to help you feel better. Just a little longer.
30 centimeters deep. The temperature seems stable.
Agreed. I'll make a note on the chart.
We carefully select the breeding pairs using this tablet to monitor their lineage and ensure optimal genetic diversity across the farm.
Look at this fluctuation in the activity pattern here.
Pulling up the historical data now, it seems consistent with the feeding schedule.
Check this section right here. The thickness is slightly off. Yes, I see that. Let me make a note.
Check the clasp alignment on this one.
Looks perfect. The grain matching is exquisite. There is a minuscule irregularity right here.
Good catch. We must maintain the standard.
The seam is secure, texture is perfect.
Excellent. Final approval granted.
Check the stitching on this corner. Looks good. The measurements are exact.
The data confirms the tensile strength exceeds the standard threshold.
Yes, the batch passes quality inspection.
The color consistency is excellent, but check this seam right here.
Ah, yes. One moment. There we are.
Approved for packaging.
The handle stitching is within tolerance.
Check the grain right here near the base.
I see it. Logging that as a minor cosmetic note.
We should refine the curve of the handle attachment right here. It needs more elegance.
I agree. Let's taper it slightly.
Stitching is precise on the handle. Confirmed.
The clasp alignment is also within tolerance.
Absolutely stunning. The craftsmanship is exquisite.